What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I have been procrastinating on this for a while, so what better way to get started on it than right now? So I'm doing something special. We are going to do unboxing of an extendable tripod and a Ringlight and smartphone mount. I got these from a coworker at Five Below. Usually these would cost a good 100 and something. I'll say 150. Okay, so it extends up to 2 feet. Okay. So we put the phone in, it'll extend up. And then it opens up like this. And put it okay, awesome. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, that was the extendable tripod. Now for the ring light. I gotta thank Z for this tomorrow, because she got this for me like last week. And yeah, and I totally, and I've been procrastinating. Bubble wrap. Bop, 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 bop. Okay, so this is the ring light. Oh boy. So expand. Okay. So just like my neck mount. So I gotta okay. And open the clamp up. Phones be right here. And then the light, like so. I wanted to buy batteries, it looks like, but I think I got premise. Yeah, that was, yeah, I got to hear yeah. So this is how it would look. And then once, you know, I get the batteries, the light would come on, and then phone right here, and then boom. Well, that is it for the unboxing. I really have to thank Z tomorrow when I go back to work. These are my Christmas presents. I gotta thank her. So, thank you for watching this unboxing, and I will see you in the next one.